Construction projects are driven by complex operations, where companies face many obstacles to complete projects on time and within budget with less environmental impact. Volatile material prices, material waste, suboptimal productivity, low asset utilization, site and worker safety, environmental impact. These challenges can drive up costs and slow down projects. However, advancements in digital solutions present an opportunity for construction companies to plan and execute projects flawlessly. Built on the philosophy of leveraging the virtual world to extend and improve the real world, DELMIA's virtual twin experience enables construction companies to model, collaborate, optimize, and perform efficiently and more sustainably. Take Building Information Modeling, BIM, to the next level. Plan everything from your building to materials and automated processes entirely in a virtual world. 5D simulation gives you even more data to identify the best possible plan. Build team collaborations around lean principles. Create workflows and schedules designed to minimize operational waste and maximize team efficiency. The virtual model also enables you to accurately simulate construction operations, so you can optimize work processes, resolve issues quickly, and improve workplace safety. The virtual twin experience supplies you with data to monitor execution in real time and support decision-making at the operational level. With these capabilities, the virtual twin experience creates many opportunities for companies to adopt more sustainable practices. By reducing, reusing, and recycling materials, companies can lower their demand for raw materials. Projects can be designed to be energy efficient, generating less waste, while ensuring compliance with sustainability regulations. The virtual twin experience helps you pave the way for more sustainable construction, laying the foundation to build smart infrastructure of the future. Discover how you can get started today.